Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, we have to hit on TikTok. Once you've opened the app, then you have to hit on profile. Then go to the icon which is top right corner of the screen. Here you will see three of options. You have to hit on settings and privacy. Go to account and then you have to hit on deactivate or delete. Hit on delete account permanently. Now you have to hit on I have multiple accounts. With this reason, your account will be permanently deleted. Then you have to hit on continue. Once you're done with it, then here you have to hit on this point and then you have to tap on continue. And that's it guys. This is how to delete TikTok account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.